Good Saturday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and this is your outlook for November 1st, 2014. As we talked about this entire week here, we have this system that is going to be moving south of the region today, and another one that's going to be jumping out ahead of it. Area low pressure developing off the coast of off the eastern seaboard here. Another one down here by the North Carolina-South Carolina border. They'll be trailing it. We're going to do a long, detailed description this week of why these two are not going to meet up and why it's not going to produce any snow for our area here. So we're not really going to get into that today. It's pretty much a given of the entire area here where we'll be under the influence of just rain showers here, because the cold air is still stuck up here and is going to be stuck up there and won't come down into this into our area until these systems have passed. So maybe at the very tail end you might get some flurries up here for the extreme northern areas here, but that's about all we're looking at as far as wintry precipitation. The rest of the area we're just talking about rain showers. So back to the map here again, we got one system that's going to be sitting right down here, right by the North Carolina-South Carolina border, another one sitting right here, and one is trailing the other. So we go into this look at this morning here. In association with this system here is a little bit of an inverted trough that's coming back across this area. It's allowing for some shower activity over New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. And as we go to the next frame here, we'll move this ahead to the afternoon. It doesn't really go far here because here's where we just were. Here's the next frame right here, and you see the area low pressure is now moving up to the northeast, but the inverted trough is still hanging back over at least central and southern portions of our coverage area. So, we'll have some rain showers during the day on Saturday in these areas here, but then as you go a little bit further yet, it looks like it's going to be dying down for the most part, except for the eastern portions of our coverage area across New Jersey, extreme southeastern PA, and Delaware, with some light precipitation still hanging around. And then all the global models, at the very least, are looking at this second system staying far enough east that it will not affect much of the area, except for maybe clipping the extreme southeastern portions here. Here's that second system getting going here. Primary still sitting up here, so one's still trailing the other, but they're both in close proximity to one another, pretty strong here. Both are actually getting up pretty strong here. Then you're going to have this first system is actually going to produce some snow in the eastern parts of Maine here. It will be cold enough for snow up in that area there, but this second system, you will not have that. So the second system is going to trail it, move to the northeast here, should stay clear of the coastline the second time, except for extreme eastern Maine, once again getting into some snowfall. So let's cover the NAM high-res future simulated radar. This is looking at 8 o'clock in the morning Saturday, and the NAM has a little bit different take here, and this is going to be something we have to keep an eye on. We thought it was just going to be the first half of the day on Saturday. We have these rain showers, except for across New Jersey where it could hang on longer. Here's those rain showers in the morning here. We're going to put this a little bit forward here, and you see it's pretty much hanging over New Jersey up until about noon, extreme southeastern PA as well, and Delaware. And then as you get into the afternoon hours, it's pretty much confined there as well, but then it starts to back up a little bit and starting to show some rain in the evening getting across east central PA, northeast PA, and again up in northeast PA highest elevations, it's showing some snow starting to mix in here about 8, 9 o'clock at night. So again, we'll have to keep an eye on this and see if this has any validity to it, but then it does look like around midnight the NAM's trying to, or midnight or 2 a.m., the NAM is starting to end the precipitation pretty abruptly as the cold air starts moving south. You can see this with the 32-degree lines here. So we're going to have to keep an eye on this and see how this transpires. We're not looking at any accumulating snow. That's not the concern. We're talking about how long this precipitation holds on, and if we have another round of precipitation coming in the evening. So right now the projection is for the first half of the day on Saturday to have the rain, and then just remaining cloudy or mostly cloudy the rest of the day and the night, except for the far eastern areas where we have the best shot of some precipitation hanging on. So this is the newest model guidance we have showing this precipitation here in the evening hours here on Saturday, and that's showing right here where it's starting to move across into east central PA and northeast PA, as well as northern New Jersey, and this is Saturday evening. Let's get into the next day here, Sunday. Mostly sunny skies are going to prevail on Sunday. That's because you have high pressure to the west here. One thing we're going to have this weekend here, especially Saturday night and or at least the first half of Sunday, very tight pressure gradient here, so the winds will be kicking. It'd be pretty high, actually. Get a wind gust up to 45 miles per hour on Saturday, probably up to 40 on Saturday night. So we'll definitely be very windy. And then we're going to move ahead. Monday's mostly sunny. The winds die down a little bit. And then this high pressure is going to move offshore, and a cold front is going to approach from the west. Now, this cold front doesn't have a lot of moisture with it. It's going to be associated with an area low pressure that's sitting up here. This is going to move eastward, and the moisture is going to die out as it comes eastward. So you could have some showers involved with this overnight Tuesday night into very early Wednesday. Might have a quick shower out of that, but doesn't look like a big deal at that time. So here's the overnight hours, and this is the wee hours of the morning here. You see it just falls apart here, and just some lighter showers. Mostly going to be like a clouds giving way to sun deal, we think, on Wednesday. And then another little system comes in here during your day on Thursday, coming out of the Great Lakes, another northern stream system. Might have some redevelopment offshore here, but again, this is just light precipitation as it stands right now. They'll be getting on Thursday, it looks like, and then it improves later in the day as the system moves up into England and out of our area. We'll follow this storm closely during the day on Saturday, but right now it just looks like it's a question of how long the rain holds on. Either way, we have rain early on. We might have a break for a while. Might get a second round here in the evening, and we'll have to keep an eye on that during the day. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for the weekend, November 1st and 2nd, 2014. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.